guys, it's Shannon. It is 10:41 p.m. so you know what that means. I'm thinking about breakfast. So I decided today to make some overnight oats in the crock pot. We'll see if you can see this. There's my crock pot. Sorry, I just moved here and everything is a bit of a mess right now, but I can still make a good breakfast. So let's get started. I did wash my hands, as you guys know, and I do have a recipe. And what does a recipe tell us again? If you know, make sure you comment down below. And so the recipe tells me that first I need 1.5 cups of steel cut oats. So I'm gonna get my measuring cups here. I have 2 of them. And I've got 1 cup I'm putting in the crock pot. And a 1/2 cup. That goes in the crock pot too. Let's see what's next on my recipe. 4 cups of water. Now I'm being very careful because this appliance is plugged in, and we're always careful around things that are plugged in. And we do have to have a grown-up with us for these recipes, but you can take the lead. Next up, 2 cups of, what is this? Milk. That's a lot of liquid, but I trust it'll be delicious by the morning. Next, okay, so I decided I'm not just making any old oatmeal. I'm making banana bread oatmeal. So I've got 2 ripe bananas here. Miss Shannon really likes bananas to be a little bit green. So these are a little bit spotted at this point, so I'm kind of done with them. So I've got my bananas. Gonna put them in a bowl here. And it says that I need to mash them up. Do I need some fancy masher thing? No. I've got my bananas in this cool bowl, and I'm just going to give them a quick mash with this fork. It's kind of hard work, but this is something you guys could definitely do. You can definitely help with, especially if you have a grown-up kind of holding the bowl because it wants to kind of slide away a little bit. I am going to do a hand washing video. I know there are a million of them out there, but we have a very special hand washing video in our cooking class. We have a very special way we do it, I mean. So I decided I'm going to have to make a video of that too. My bananas are mashed, so they're going to go in the crock pot. Right now this doesn't look great, but I bet by morning it's going to be delish. Okay? And I don't even have anything hot or sharp for you to put your hands behind your back. I know you guys are really good about that. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I've got this vanilla. This is real vanilla. I don't like the fake stuff. And I need 2 teaspoons. Ooh, those are noisy. If I was doing this with you, I'd have you pour these in. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of vanilla in. Now what, recipe? 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I love cinnamon. And by the time I wake up tomorrow morning, it is going to smell amazing in here. Amazing. So I need 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, just gonna use my apron to clean off the teaspoon before I put it in the cinnamon. There is 1 and a half. It's not the cinnamon challenge, Shannon. And this recipe calls for nutmeg, but I don't have any nutmeg, so I'm going to leave that out. It also calls for 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal. I also don't have that just hanging out in my pantry. But it does call for a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, which I do have. Gotta be careful with this. You don't want it too salty. But the salt really makes the sweetness come out, so that's why it is delicious. Okay, so this is pretty much ready to go. The recipe says that there are lots of things that you can put on top of it in the morning. Things like, I like pecans, chocolate chips, syrup, raisins, peanut butter, or just eat it as is because I think this is going to be really delicious. I'm going to give it a quick stir just because I think it needs it. Get those oats mixed in with the, let me see if I can bring you down here. Whoa, I almost dropped you in. Let's see. Okay, there it is. It looks really funny right now, guys. I'm gonna sneeze from all that cinnamon. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on low. And it's plugged in. I need my lid, or nothing good will come of this. So I've got my lid on. And sorry about the mess. Whoa. I just do not know how to do this very well. I've lost it. Anyway, there it is. There's our crock pot. Hopefully I will be able to continue this tomorrow morning so you can see just how delicious it is. All right. Good night, guys. Bye.